Did you know that 92 billion tons of Earth's virgin resources are extracted every year? And half of this is returned unutilized back into nature. We focus on this unexplored opportunity to upcycle these industrial side streams and create unique bio-based materials by using our visionary chemistry. Our sustainable, bright biomaterials can be fitted directly into existing manufacturing workflows and be applied in a multitude of applications. From plastic replacements in food packaging to agriculture, automotive, and other industries. We provide sustainable material innovations as a service. Together with our customers, we co-create ecological and renewable solutions delivered by our accountable Arctic spirit. Brighter future with our inspiring side stream innovations.